Looking for the best drone in 2026? From 4K and 6K video recording to AI-powered tracking, obstacle avoidance, GPS flight modes, and ultra-long battery life, modern drones are smarter and more capable than ever. In today's video, we'll take a look at the top 5 best drones in 2026. We'll cover their features, performance, pros, cons, and help you find the perfect drone for your needs. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Potensic Atom 2. This compact yet powerful drone delivers premium features while remaining under the 249-gram weight limit, making it easier to fly in many locations. The Atom 2 captures stunning 8K photos and smooth 4K video through its advanced 3-axis mechanical gimbal, ensuring stable footage even during windy conditions. With up to 10 kilometers of transmission range, AI-powered tracking, vertical shooting for social media content, AI night shot technology, and quick shots flight modes, this drone is built for creators. The Fly More combo extends total flight time to an impressive 96 minutes, giving pilots plenty of time to capture content. Pros: lightweight under 249 grams, sharp 8K photo capability, stable 3-axis gimbal, AI tracking features, vertical shooting mode, up to 96 minutes total flight time. The Potensic Atom 2 offers an excellent combination of portability, camera quality, and smart features, and affordability. For most users, it delivers everything needed for stunning aerial photography and video creation. Number 2. Holystone HS790. Holystone continues to impress with feature-packed drones designed for both beginners and experienced pilots. The HS790 captures detailed 6K photos and stabilized 4K video using a 3-axis brushless gimbal system. It also boasts an impressive transmission range of up to 30,000 feet and includes intelligent GPS flight modes for easier operation. One standout feature is AI night shot technology, which helps improve low-light image quality during evening flights. The package includes a fast charging hub and enough battery capacity for up to 60 minutes of total flight time. Pros: high-quality 6K photo capture, smooth 4K stabilized video, long transmission range, GPS intelligent flight modes, AI night shot support, beginner-friendly controls. The HS790 offers a great balance between advanced features and ease of use, making it an excellent option for hobbyists looking to step up their aerial photography game. Number 3. Ruko F11PRO 2. This drone is designed to deliver reliable performance, strong flight stability, and high-quality imaging without overwhelming new pilots. The 6K camera works alongside a 3-axis gimbal stabilizer to produce smooth aerial footage, while intelligent GPS functions help simplify navigation. Included batteries provide up to 70 minutes of combined flight time, allowing users to stay in the air longer without frequent charging breaks. The drone also features automatic return-to-home functionality, making flights safer and reducing the risk of losing the aircraft. Pros: excellent 6K camera, smooth 3-axis stabilization, up to 70 minutes flight time, easy-to-use controls, GPS return to home, great value for money. The Ruko F11PRO 2 is ideal for beginners and intermediate users who want dependable performance, long flight times, and solid image quality at a reasonable price. Number 4. Antigravity A1 Explorer Bundle. This innovative drone features immersive 8K 360-degree capture, allowing users to create interactive and highly creative content. Despite its advanced capabilities, it remains under 249 grams and features a foldable design for easy transport. The drone includes obstacle avoidance, deep track AI subject tracking, point-to-fly motion controls, automatic editing tools, and up to 10 kilometers of transmission range. The Explorer bundle includes 3 batteries, significantly extending total flight time. Pros: unique 8K 360-degree capture, lightweight under 249 grams, obstacle avoidance system, deep track AI subject tracking, automatic editing tools, foldable travel-friendly design. For content creators who want to stand out with immersive footage and social media-ready content, the Antigravity A1 Explorer offers a refreshing and innovative flying experience. Number 5. Bwine F7GB2 Pro. This drone focuses on delivering reliable flight performance, excellent battery life, and beginner-friendly features. Its 4K UHD camera is stabilized with a 3-axis gimbal, helping users capture smooth footage and sharp aerial photographs. The drone offers an impressive control range of up to 10,000 feet and includes GPS-powered intelligent flight modes such as Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, Orbit Mode, and Auto Return. 3 included batteries provide up to 75 minutes of total flight time. Pros: stable 4K camera performance, excellent battery package, GPS intelligent flight modes, easy for beginners, long control range, great overall value. The Bwine F7GB2 Pro is a fantastic choice for first-time drone pilots who want dependable performance, strong battery life, and useful intelligent flight features without spending a fortune. Those were our picks for the top 5 best drones in 2026. If you're looking for the best overall combination of portability, camera quality, and smart features, the Potensic Atom 2 is our top recommendation. The HS790 offers excellent image quality and range, while the Ruko F11PRO 2 delivers reliable performance and outstanding flight time. For creators seeking immersive content, the Antigravity A1 Explorer stands out with its unique 360-degree recording capabilities. And if you're just getting started, the Bwine F7GB2 Pro remains one of the best beginner-friendly drones. See you in the next video.